Good day. My name is Ajombi Redwan Aburayan of Ariantank International. Today we're talking about the particular aspect of data recovery. Some apps we discussed on our last class. Firstly, we on our previous class we talked about was data recovery, the most typical causes of data loss. And we talked about how data recovery software works, and also I think that's where we stopped in our previous class. Now we'll be discussing about I remember I sent you two links you will use to download some apps, some data recovery apps on your Play Store. We'll first discuss on the first. Let's use the first app, which is if you have already downloaded the one of the data recovery software is Mobisaver, Easy US Mobisaver. I think there's an system app for it too. So I'll click on there's uninstalled and open option here, which means I've already downloaded it. So if you haven't, you just click on it and download it. So I'm opening mine now. So it's already loading. So here on this interface, you see that there is photo and video, there's SMS, there's contact, we have call logs, WhatsApp, and SD card. That means if you want to download, if you want to recover your files on your memory card, that's the meaning of SD card. But we'll just make an example of maybe photo and video. So it will be scanning with what's it called in percent. So these are some of the scanned files here. One thing about this app, that it has an limitation in which that you need to subscribe if you want to download, if you want to recover some aspect of the file being recovered here. Some are these. If you look at these three sites, these three files, you see at the top right of it, there's in yellow background, you have something like a cat, the one used to what's it called they're using in supermarkets like that. So those that has that kind, you have to pay for it, to purchase it, so you can get access to recover those files. Apart from that, I think that's all. So if I notice those that has that kind of cat what's it called form at the top right side of the what's it called, of the file, is in PNG. Same applies to the video aspect too. At the video aspect, there are some that will have those kind. Those who has it is not in MP3. It's those that is in the format of the video, which is in 3GP. I think that's it. So now let's say I want to, okay, the scan has been completed. It said that 7,700 and something files recovered. So another thing about this app is that it scans those files that is already on the phone, and those that has been recovered. So it's what is kindly hard to note which one is being recovered and which one is on the phone before. But as for you that you want to recover some files, you know the type of files you want to recover. So you search for it. So you can search through what's it called, through the dates here. As you can see, this one is 19, yes, that's 1909 this year. So those are the files there that was recovered today. I think this was recovered yesterday. So let's click on just for example these two files and this, I think they are the same thing. I downloaded this yesterday. I could remember when I was making research on some of my stuff I do in electronics aspect. So that's one of the things I do at Arayan Tech International. We build electronics, alternative power supply and co. You can search for the page on Facebook so you get more about it. So back to our business. Sorry for that. So let me click on this one. So you can click as many as you like and select all. So you won't be able to select all because of those who has the banner of being, you need to purchase it. So you have to click it one after the other, the one you want to recover. So at the top here you see what's it called, recover. So that's where you recover. So if you click on recover, so you tap here to view recovered files. So I think it's been recovered, so you click here. So these are the files that has been recovered. So video, we haven't recovered video, so you can move to video and click on any video you feel like recovering here. Okay, so like I said earlier, the one that has the this file, it can't be recovered, so you need to purchase it. So that's one of the limitations of the app. So let's say I want to recover this, so I click on recover here. So after it's give me notion that it has been recovered, so you can see it's also okay. Let's go to the video aspect. You see I've recovered it. So okay, you can play it, play and listen to if it's being recovered properly. Okay, it's being recovered properly. So let's click on the image aspect too. So it's being recovered properly. So if you look at, sorry, so if you look at what is it called, the what's written here, the recover file of has been saved in storage emulated ODCIM slash Mobisaver. So this O emulated O means that's on your phone memory. So DMI is usually the digital camera, something like that. I think digital camera, I've forgotten. So if I go to your, what's it called, you can go to your file manager. Your file manager, you see internal storage. Click on internal storage. Then you go to this is my own DCIM. So click on it. You see the folder of what's it called, Mobisaver. So these are the files you have recovered. So that's all. So I'll talk about the limitations. There are some cons and pros of using a Android data recovery software. So talk about that later, inshallah.